Alright guys, step one, insert the 3mm and then the 6mm, put them both in one side, bring the wings together. That's step one, simple. Alright, step two guys, flip the wings over, push them together all the way with the wing spars in them. Get the two brackets, the one with the little wing on the bottom, that one on the top, put them in. Two 40mm long screws on the top, two 35mm long screws on the bottom. Push them in and then screw them onto the fuselage. Step three guys, pop this together, the elevator and the rudder. It pushes right together, pops right together. Put it on. And then grab a 30, a 45, and a 35. I kid you not, a 35, a 45, and then a 30. All in a row. Simple enough. A little odd, the different sizes, but very simple. Next step guys, put the propeller on. Very easy build. Then the nose cone has 3 Phillips head screws. And there she is guys.